Hello. After you open your new file, go to text, write, type AV, and change the font family to chopstick. I think chopstick is okay. Increase the font size. It's okay like this. Let's zoom and see. Okay. It's okay like this. Go to object and expand it so that it will become an object. Ungroup it. Okay, you see it is ungrouped. Okay, so now select the anchor point, this anchor point, and move it by holding shift key to go straight. Okay, it's okay like this. Let's see. Draw a rectangle or change the color of the rectangle so that you can see what you're doing. Okay, it's okay like this. It's okay like this. It's okay like this. It's okay. So now go to object. After that, go to object. Okay, let's draw a cycle and I want this place to be curved. Select shape builder tool and select the by holding alt key. Let's delete the place. Go to parts, objects, and offset the rectangle. Oh no, I just want to offset the rectangle. Okay. Yes. Change the color. Okay. Select the rectangle and the E, and by holding alt key, let's delete these places. Okay, it's okay like this. It's okay. Let's delete this. Okay, let's delete this. You see what I did? I select the rectangle and P, and by holding shift, not holding shift, by selecting, clicking on shape builder tool, I merge the rectangle and P. Let's see. Okay, no, that is not what I want. I want this place to be curved also. Let's enlarge the rectangle, the cycle. Select the cycle and that end of that E. Let's curve it. No, that is not what I want. Okay, let me move it and enlarge it a little bit. Yes, it's okay like this. Let me see. Yes, that is what I want. Okay, you see, as you can see, we make a simple logo with A, B. Let me draw simple something at the top of that B. No, that is too much. It's okay. Let's change the color. Okay, it's okay. Let's offset that B again a little bit. It's okay like this. I want to cut the places so that I want it to be at that top. Okay, no, that is not what I want. Okay, let's go to shape builder. Yes, let me cut the other places by holding alt key. Okay, so okay, that is it. Then let's delete the other unwanted things. Go to cycle, draw a simple cycle and place it where you want. Select the cycle and the A, click on shape builder tool by holding Alt key and delete the place. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. This color, I think. Okay, I want orange. Orange is okay. Let's write Ancock and change the family type to Gothic. Anchor Gothic is okay. Let's yes, no, it is too small. Just too small. I want it to be bigger than this. Bank. Bank is okay, but I will increase the size of this Ancock. Let's change it to 36. 36. I think 36 is okay. So let's draw a simple leaf to make it look more beautiful. I think yes. I think let's give it a green color. That is a leaf color. Not that place. Let's put it on top of A. Okay, something like this is okay. It's okay. So you can put your tag here under the logo. Yes, whatever you like. You can put whatever you like. I think we have finished designing our logo. I think this is something presentable, at least. Yes, exactly. So other things are things you can do to make it more presentable. Yes, but this is all for the logo. Thank you for watching my videos and hope to see you again. Thanks.